In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. We'll keep things simple and practical, so by the end, you'll have a functional customer relationship management system running inside your Notion workspace. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into your workspace. If you're new to Notion, any account will work for this. Once you're in, head to the Marketplace. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Marketplace or Templates. Both lead you to Notion's gallery of ready-made setups. In the Marketplace, look for the search bar and type CRM database. This will bring up a range of templates designed to track contacts, companies, deals, and follow-ups. Take a moment to scan the results and pick a template that matches your needs. You can click into a template to preview its pages, see how the database is structured, and check if it includes properties like deal stage, contact info, or next actions. Choosing one that aligns with your workflow will save you time later. When you've found the one you want, click it to open the full template page, then click Add. Notion will ask where to place it. Select the correct workspace or page, and it will duplicate everything into your account. After a few seconds, you'll see the CRM appear in your sidebar, ready to use. Now for the fun part. Customize everything to make it your own. Start by renaming the main database to something clear, like Sales CRM or Client Tracker. Open the database properties and tailor them to your process. Common fields include company, contact person, email, phone, deal value, priority, current stage, and next follow-up date. If you don't need a property, hide or delete it. If something is missing, add a new property with the right type, such as select, date, number, or relation. Adjust the views to match how you think. Many CRM templates include a table, a Kanban board, grouped by stage, and a calendar for follow-ups. Edit filters and sorts to surface what matters, like deals closing this month or overdue tasks. Add a few sample entries to make sure everything behaves the way you expect. Personal touches help with clarity. Update icons and covers, add a quick start note at the top explaining your stages, and, if you're working with a team, set sharing and editing permissions appropriately. Finally, test the flow by logging a new lead, moving it through stages, and scheduling a reminder. You now have a streamlined CRM in Notion that's both flexible and easy to maintain.